Can you ask me the question?
How did you start dancing/engineering?
I started ice skating when I was like 4 years old, and then I did that for about 8 years or so. I was a competitive figure skater, and then I sort of just gradually got into dance more. I think it was actually because I watched Dance Moms a lot. I was obsessed with that show. That's how I really got into dance in the first place. And then over the years, I kind of just started doing that more, and then I quit ice skating and became a competitive dancer instead. My first introduction to engineering was probably, I think I was about 10 years old. My dad, he brought me to his study room where all his job stuff was, and then he shined a flashlight on this circuit board. I didn't really know what it was at the time, but he brought over a bunch of different resistors and just different parts, and then he started soldering together all the little parts, and then kind of showed me what to do, and then he gave me the solder, and he was like, okay, now you do it. To me, it was just so peaceful. It was just really relaxing to me, and I think that's really how I got into engineering in the first place. So time management is definitely key for dance. Since I'm on a competitive dance team, I think I spend over 20 hours in the studio each week, and it gets to be a lot. I think definitely using what time you do have off, using that to the best of your ability is definitely what helped me kind of balance my more scientific physics side and my dancing. I think it's definitely made me more of a holistic person, because there's the left side of your brain, right? And that's engineering, that's STEM, mathematics, that's your very analytical side. And then there's the right side, which is your more artistic and creative side. And I think dance definitely represents the right side of my brain, while engineering obviously represents the left. And just pursuing both together makes me a more well-rounded person. I really think after my entire junior year summer and senior year summer, discovering just all the sciences and all the aspects of engineering that you could actually do, I definitely realized more of what I wanted to do was geared towards computer science and electrical engineering because of my dad. So I definitely recommend branching out and looking towards different mentors if you want to get into the STEM and research field, because mentors can be a big help.
My name is Yamille Toussant Beach, and I'm a dance technologist, which means I use technology to make dance performances more interesting and more exciting. And because of that, I founded and lead an organization called STEM from Dance. Since I was a young girl, I have been dancing, and I just have always loved how when you dance, you get to express yourself and just see yourself do really cool things. And at the same time, I was really interested in math. I thought math was super cool and fun. I used to just do math problems for fun. And as I got older, I started to feel as though I needed to choose between the two. And so I decided to study mechanical engineering at MIT. And when I was there, I found that it was really interesting, really hard. I felt challenged. And I also saw that when I looked around the room, there weren't a lot of students who looked like me. And I wondered why, because I felt like I deserved to be there. How come there weren't others who looked like me? And so that led me to become a teacher after I graduated. If we support a woman in STEM, then she could change the world.